Great coffee isn't just made, it's crafted. Now imagine it's simple. Meet the Luxe Brewer. One touch, that's all it takes for a brew that matches and exceeds the SCA Golden Cup standards. Not in the mood for hot coffee? Cold brew it is. The Luxe Brewer's unique drip-stop valve starts the authentic cold steeping process. No heat, just a smooth, refreshing brew. You can even make a cold brew concentrate, ready to enjoy or store for later. Automated presets handle it all, delivering filter coffee with precision and consistency every time. Serious coffee, seriously simple. And for real enthusiasts who want to customize the brew parameters, we've got you covered with custom mode. Thanks to PID temperature control and a pump that controls flow rate, you can bring out the very best in your beans. Substance meets style with a sleek design crafted with the same attention to detail as the coffee it brews. And with your choice of a thermal carafe or a glass carafe with a heater plate, the Luxe Brewer keeps coffee at the ideal temperature and ready when you are. You're only a touch away from mastery with the Luxe Brewer.